this is Jessica from Double the Stitches, and today in our quick little tutorial video I'm going to show you how to undo the provisional cast on that we used at the beginning of my Sunshine and Shade cowl. We did that because we knit this project as a tube. You can see it's got mosaic down there. So we did that because we wanted to knit a tube and we wanted to be able to seamlessly graft it at the end using Kitchener stitch. So I'm going to make a second video for you with the Kitchener stitch, but today's quick video is just to show you undoing the stitches from the provisional cast on. In order to do that, we're going to use a second circular needle. I still have my my project on the knitting needles, and I'm going to use an additional circular needle to remove the provisional cast on. We are going to actually start from where we ended. So we're going to flip this over. And this should be the easier side to pull them through. We're going to slide the yarn out. And we are going to just, as we very, very gently pull, you will find that as you pull, you release. Let's bring this up close to the camera for you. So as you pull, you'll find you release the loose threads. And if you just pick them up purl-wise as you go. So I like to put the needle in the next stitch before I pull out the yarn. So needle in, pull the yarn. So I'm securing each stitch so that I don't have to worry about it. Pull super gently. Sorry, that's my cat. So if you secure each stitch, then you won't have to worry about dropping any stitches as you go. And make it nice and gentle. Don't go yanking it and pulling the provisional cast on out of a bunch of loops at the same time, or you'll be struggling to pick them up and make sure you don't drop any stitches. I'll show you again a little bit closer here. So the needle goes in and just a little gentle tug. One at a time, no rush. It's much better to take your time with this, much less stress to worry about. Put the needle in. All right, I'm going to finish this up, and then I'll show you what it looks like when we're done with this step. So I may speed this up for you just a little bit so you don't have to watch me do this for all the stitches. Okay, when you get to about the halfway point, you can pull your needle through so that it rests on the cord a little bit. Rotate carefully and just continue on. All right, and I am back with the last few stitches, and just gonna do those. That last stitch, just slide that onto the needle, and then you can slide your waste yarn through. And you've got all of your stitches secured. Like I mentioned at the beginning, now's a great time to weave in those beginning ends. You should have two, one from each color, and make sure that those are secured inside the cowl so you don't have to worry about them later. and I will be back with a second video showing you how to graft the ends of the tube together. This is a much shorter version just for example's sake. So stay tuned for the next video. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.